Welcome to our podcast.
The topic is actually quite interesting. We're going to talk about how companies innovate, but not just from within. Yeah, exactly. And I feel like we didn't really think about it before, and it's actually happening now.
Yeah, true. Like we always assume company creates everything themselves, right? But actually, not really.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about open innovation strategy, and we will be focusing about very relatable example, Shopee Malaysia. And I think almost everyone here are used Shopee before, even today.
Don't ask why like that.
Lebaran hari jadi dapat 50% diskaun lagi murah di Shopee. Pilih lagi cepat di Shopee. Dapat 50% diskaun. Shopee Live Marathon hari-hari lagi murah di Shopee. Pilih lagi cepat di Shopee. Jom beli di Shopee.
Shopee 12-12 jualan hari jadi.
Shopee lagi murah, lagi cepat.
Beli sekarang.
Alright, let's get into it. What is open innovation? Okay, in simple terms, open innovation means company doesn't depend only on the team to come up with idea. They also get the idea from outside, like customer, partner, and even the public.
So it's like instead of thinking that we do everything ourselves, they are more open to collaboration.
Exactly, and if we compare to most innovation, that one is more traditional. Everything is done internally, which sound nice but very slow.
Yes, because building everything from scratch, time, money, and effort.
So open innovation is basically about being faster, smarter, and flexible. But why do companies use open innovation? Like, what is benefit?
First, speed. Shopee want to be a leading online marketplace that connect buyer and seller easily. Second, cost saving. R&D can be very expensive, so collaboration help reduce that. And third, you get access to new idea and technology from outside.
Which is very important, especially now, because trend change so fast. Alright, let's talk about Shopee technology strategy. Shopee is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in Southeast Asia. And what makes it strong is full platform ecosystem. Shopping, payment, and delivery on one apps.
And what makes Shopee even more interesting is that the whole system is actually built on open innovation.
Yeah, like if you think about it, Shopee is not just Shopee apps.
It's more like a whole ecosystem. They also use data analytics to recommend products based on user behavior.
And features like Shopee Live allow real-time interaction between seller and buyers. So these technologies are not random, they are designed to improve user engagement and sales.
Let's start with the obvious one, seller and FFE.
Shopee allows external sellers to join the platform. This means product innovation comes from thousands of sellers, not just Shopee. So basically, the variety of products see on Shopee come from the seller, not Shopee.
So if you think about it, Shopee is basically outsourcing product variety to the public. Exactly, and this is powerful because Shopee can offer millions of product choices without managing inventory themselves. Next is logistics, which is a key part of Shopee's strategy. Before this, Shopee relied a lot on partners like JNT, Ninja Van, and Poslaju.
But now Shopee also has its own system, Shopee Express.
Exactly. So instead of depending fully on external partner, Shopee is using a hybrid model. That's actually a smart move because they get more control over delivery quality and speed.
And it's not just logistics, they also collaborate in digital payment like Shopee Pay.
So, if you can see that, Shopee is integrating external technologies into their platform instead of developing everything internally. Alright, another interesting one is Shopee Affiliate Program.
This is where content creators promote products and earn commission.
So basically, marketing is done by user themselves.
Which is actually very smart because people trust influencer more than ads.
Yeah, true. Sometimes we buy the things just because we saw the video that promoted by the user, right? Now let's look how Shopee follow the technology trends. Like Shopee Live, feature like Shopee Live allow seller to interact with customer in real time.
This idea actually comes from market trends, especially the rise of live selling in Asia.
Shopee also include features like voucher, point, and in-app games. They use data analytics to track user behavior. For example, what you click, what you buy, and what you search. All of these help Shopee to recommend products.
They also add more coin and voucher relaxation, which make Shopee feel more fun and interactive.
So in a way, users are indirectly contribute to innovation because of their behavior shapes how the platform improve over time. So if we analyze this strategy, Shopee is not just an e-commerce platform, actually technology-driven ecosystem. Their use of open innovation allow them to think faster without handling everything internally. Yes, and the technology like data analytics and live features help to improve customer engagement and personalization, which directly contribute to better performance and competitive.
But of course, there are challenges.
Yes, one of them is quality control. Too many sellers mean harder to monitor quality product.
There's also the risk of fake product and scam.
Yeah, and delivery issue if shipping is low, customer can Shopee.
So yeah, open innovation is helpful, but company also need to manage it properly.
So, as a conclusion, Shopee is a very strong example of open innovation in action.
They collaborate with sellers, partners, and users, which make them more flexible and able to adapt quickly.
And nowadays, company that collaborate will always have an advantage.
Alright, that's all from us today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new.
Maybe after this, you look at Shopee differently, not just for shopping, but for strategy.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served